Are you over 40 and wondering if AI could be your ticket to passive income? Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to the digital world, AI offers incredible opportunities that you might not have considered yet. Stay tuned, because today we're diving into some actionable tips to help you leverage AI for passive income, no matter your age or experience level. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to start with AI powered content creation. AI isn't just for tech experts, it can also be a powerful tool for content creation. Platforms like Jasper AI or ChatGPT or Gemini can help you to generate blog posts, social media content, or even entire ebooks with very minimal effort. By automating content creation, you can create a blog or YouTube channel that brings in ad revenue or affiliate income even while you sleep. For example, a blog post generated by AI could be optimized for SEO, which is search engine optimization, attracting traffic and generating income through ads or product recommendations. AI can also help you to stay consistent. For instance, you can use AI to schedule posts across various platforms, ensuring that you maintain an active online presence without spending hours each day on content creation. The key is to choose a niche you're passionate about and that has a high demand in the marketplace, and that AI handle the heavy lifting. Now, once your content is up and running, AI tools can analyze performance and suggest improvements, making it much easier to refine your strategy over time. This way, you're not just creating content, you're creating content that actually converts. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to leverage AI for e-commerce automation. If you're into e-commerce, AI can simplify many aspects of your business, from inventory management to customer service. I recommend to use tools like Shopify's Kit or Conversica, which can automate marketing campaigns, recommend products to customers, or even handle customer inquiries. Imagine having a virtual assistant that manages your store 24/7, allowing you to focus on scaling your business rather than being bogged down by daily tasks. AI can also optimize your pricing strategy. Dynamic pricing tools adjust your product prices based on demand, competition, and other factors, which helps to maximize your profit margins without manual intervention. For example, if a product starts trending, AI can automatically raise the price, ensuring you capitalize on increased demand. Moreover, AI-powered chatbots can enhance customer satisfaction by providing instant support, leading to higher conversion rates and repeat business. These tools make your e-commerce venture more efficient and profitable, helping you generate passive income with minimal ongoing effort. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to use AI for stock market investments. AI isn't just a buzzword in the tech world, it's also revolutionizing the stock market investing. Robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront use AI algorithms to manage your portfolio, making real-time adjustments based on market conditions. This hands-off approach allows you to grow your wealth without constantly monitoring the stock market. AI can also identify trends and predict market movements that might not be obvious to human investors. For instance, some AI tools can analyze social media sentiment or global news to predict stock price movements. By leveraging these tools, you can potentially gain an edge over traditional investors. However, it's crucial to diversify your investments and not rely solely on AI. While AI can enhance your investment strategy, it's essential to stay informed and make adjustments as needed to align with your long-term financial goals. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to automate real estate investing with AI. Real estate can be a fantastic source of passive income, and AI is making it more accessible than ever. Platforms like Roofstock and Fundrise use AI to identify lucrative investment opportunities, whether you're interested in flipping properties, renting them out, or investing in real estate funds. AI can analyze property data, market trends, and even neighbourhood crime rates to predict the future value of a property. This data-driven approach reduces the risk of real estate investing, particularly if you're new to the market or concerned about managing properties yourself. Additionally, AI-powered property management tools can automate tasks like rent collection, maintenance requests, and tenant screening, making it much easier to manage multiple properties. By leveraging AI, you could build a diverse real estate portfolio that generates passive income with minimal hands-on involvement. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to create an AI-powered online course. Online education is booming, and creating an AI-powered online course can be a great way to generate passive income. Platforms like Teachable or Kajabi can help you to create and sell courses, while AI tools like Synthesia can even generate video content using AI avatars and voiceovers. AI can assist in course creation by helping you identify trending topics in your niche, or even by generating the content itself. For instance, you could use AI to outline your course, create quizzes, and suggest improvements based on learner feedback. This allows you to create high-quality courses without needing extensive expertise in every area. Now, once your course is live, AI can also help with the marketing. Tools like Ad Espresso use AI to optimize your ad campaigns, targeting the right audience to maximize enrollment. This automated approach ensures your course reaches the people who are most likely to benefit from it, driving sales and generating passive income. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to tap into AI for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another area where AI can make a significant impact. AI-powered tools like Lumen 5 can turn your blog posts into engaging videos that can be used to promote affiliate products. By creating content that is both informative and highly engaging, you can drive more traffic to your affiliate links, increasing your chances of earning commissions. AI can also help you identify the best products to actually promote. Platforms like Affice use AI to analyze market trends and suggest high-converting products based on your audience's interests. This ensures that the products that you promote are more likely to resonate with your audience, leading to higher conversion rates. Additionally, AI can optimize your marketing strategies by analyzing data and suggesting tweaks to improve performance. For example, AI can identify the best times to post on social media or the types of content that generate the most engagement, helping you to maximize your affiliate income with minimal effort. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to explore AI-driven digital art and NFTs. The rise of digital art and NFTs, which is non-fungible tokens, presents a unique opportunity to generate passive income, especially if you have a creative streak. AI tools like Deep Art or Art Breeder can help you create stunning digital art with little to no artistic skills required. You can sell these creations on platforms like OpenSea as NFTs, earning royalties wherever your art is resold. AI can also assist in the creation of generative art that is created using algorithms. This type of art is particularly popular in the NFT space, where uniqueness and rarity are highly valued. By using AI to create and sell digital art, you can tap into a growing market and generate passive income from each sale. Moreover, AI can also help you market your NFTs by analysing trends and suggesting the best platforms to sell your work. By staying ahead of the curve, you can maximise your earnings and build a reputation as a digital artist. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to use AI to automate your freelance work. If you're a freelancer, AI can help you scale your business by automating repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to take on more clients or focus on high-value work. Tools like Grammarly can automate editing, while others like Jasper can assist in generating client proposals or even content. AI can also help you find clients. Platforms like Upwork.com or Fiverr.com use AI to match freelancers with potential clients based on their skills and their experience. By automating client acquisition, you can focus on delivering high quality work, increasing your income potential without burning out. Additionally, AI can help you manage your workload by automating project management tasks like scheduling, invoicing, and follow-ups. This ensures that nothing falls through the cracks, allowing you to deliver consistently great results and build a steady stream of passive income from repeated clients. Let me now give you tip number 9, which is to develop an AI-based SaaS product. Software as a service, known as SaaS, is one of the most lucrative ways to generate passive income, and AI can help you develop a product that meets a specific market need. Whether it's an AI-powered chatbot for customer service, an analytics tool for small businesses, or a personalized recommendation engine, the possibilities are truly endless. You don't need to be a coding expert to get started. Platforms like Bubble or Adalo allow you to build AI-powered apps with no coding required. Once your product is live, AI tools can also help with marketing, customer support, and even product updates, ensuring your SaaS product runs smoothly with minimal ongoing effort. AI can also help you scale your SaaS business by analysing user behaviour and suggesting new features or improvements. By continuously refining your product, you can attract more users and generate a steady stream of passive income over time. Okay, so there you have it, 9 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further and make sure you achieve the results that you want is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are hands-on resources and they're going to help you create a profitable online business. When you access these online training programs, which are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energise me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day.